Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, I kind of have a little change here today. So as you guys know, I have two accounts and I record on this new account called Dominic's. So make sure you subscribe to my Alonzo channel, which has 14 subscribers. Thank you very much for the support. Thanks for hitting 500 views. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching my videos all the time. I really appreciate it. I hope I get way more subscribers on this channel, Dominic's, and the Kaneki change. Watch that. But we're gonna play a new game. We're gonna play some games. So we are going to be right now go on Roblox. Wait, why am I on YouTube? We're going on Roblox right now. And what we're going to do is we are gonna be just playing some games and all that stuff. Relaxing's online. Hey, what's up, man? I just have new friends. If you guys want to add me, here's my username. Put a link in the description. Also check out my YouTube channel, which is also gonna be a link in the description. Or you could just write down a sticky note. I'll give you 15 seconds to do it. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you guys write my username? If you guys did, please leave a big fat thumbs up and turn on that notification. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to hit a lot of, can I get 5 likes on this video? And also, I'll be doing some giveaways for some Robux, I don't know, Roblox, Fortnite, whatever, Xbox and stuff. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so right now, we are on Roblox, and we're going to be playing some games. Now my friends are online, but actually I'm gonna kind of change my avatar a little, because my avatar looks so gay. I don't know. I'm just kidding, it's not gay. I'm going to change this to Supreme, because that's my usual clothes. So here you go. Roblox changed. Alright guys, let's play some game. X Dagger's online. DXGGERXX. I don't know how to say it. Maybe Dagger, whatever. Well, who cares? But let's play. I've been playing a lot of good games. I played Murder Mystery, AAA, Pet Simulator, Car Crushers, Bubblegum Simulator, Case Collector, Case Clicker, Ultimate Driving Westover Islands, Dynamic Ship Simulator 2nd, Meep City, Dominus Lifting Simulator, Jailbreak, Superhero game, Mystery, Ultimate Driving Odessa, more Pet Simulator, and all of these games. McDonald's, Creator Challenge game, Pizza Factory, Work at Pizza Place. I love pizza games. Leave me a comment below. What's your favorite pizza place and pizza flavor? And what do you like on your pizza? Maybe I'll order pizza in my next video so I can prove to you that I'll be eating pizza for every spam in the chat is I eat pizza all the time. And will I throw up at the end of the video? I don't know, but I'm just kidding. I won't throw up. Alright guys, further ado, let's play the game. Alright, so what can we play? There's a lot of good games. You can play Superpower Training Simulator. No, I don't like that. Zombie Rush? Nah. Obvious HC Roleplay World? No. Well, there's these car games you could play. Oh, Pacifico! Yeah, let's play Pacifico. I haven't seen this one. Pacifico. How many visits? 11 million visits! Jeez, that's a popular game. Okay, whoever's Signer G, I will make sure you spam the like in the chat, and I'll be live streaming maybe on Sunday. I don't know, not today. Sunday maybe, Monday, I don't know. Monday at 3:30. Post a link in the description. Alright guys, so we are entering in the game. Crazy. Alright, so this is a really nice game. I don't know. Okay. Oh, start. Oh, okay. Well, I'm just a random person that just spawned in randomly. Whoa! There's police cars here? She has a Lambo! Whoa! That's cool. Alright, so these cars are here. It's a really loud vehicle. So there's Car Pack Classic, Car Pack Elite, Car Pack Plus, and all these random ones. Alright, let's spawn in a police car. I guess we can spawn a police car. Let's remove this. Alright, guys, so we're gonna need a police car. I just died. I don't know why I died, but, I guess we can, just go around my phone. Oh, this is so weird. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, we just spawned, and there's a bunch of cars being flipped around. Oh, hello. Internal sister Gabby. Okay, so it's supposed to be sister's account or something. I don't care, whatever. Alright, so we... What is this? Looks like someone's been caught today. That's sad. Oh, police spawn. Oh, I tried to spawn a police car, but... Oh! I spawned and I'm now a police officer. Well, I guess that's count if, but let's see if I can spawn a police car now. And can I get inside of it? That's the question. Oh, I can! Last time when I was not a cop, I could not. Let's turn on the lights. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is high speed. This is high speed. Oh, guys, look at this. This is crazy, right? You guys, check that out. So I'm gonna turn off the lights, but I'm not gonna turn off the lights, but I'm gonna turn off the whale sound. The whale, like, woo. Okay, it's really dark out here, so I can't see anything. So extra controls. Whoa, you speeded, sir. I'll get a ticket for that. No, a ticket for you to subscribe to my channel. Alright, check out what's up here. I mean, nothing bad here, no shooting. I mean, there's no guns in here, it's weird. So this is what Pacifico is, just a random game of cars and, like, occupations. This is a dealer store with a bunch of cars, it's good. It's cool. We'll, check out my channel. Check out my channel, Dominic's. Sub to my channel. I am recording. Hop in office. What? They don't even care? Who wants to kidnap you? Officer. Me? Back. Is that him in the back? Okay, good. Okay, looks like he's not talking to me. It looks like he's talking to... If you yell at me for trying to back, I swear to God, I'm gonna kidnap you and stuff. What is going on today? Who? This is like a weird... This is one of the most weirdest servers I've ever been to. What else? Wow, I can tell you. Yeah, good for you. I don't care if you talk. The chat is weird. What? What is going on? Can you? I'm not gonna care. I'm not even gonna care. I'm just gonna keep playing. What is a school? There's a PTA meeting at 5 p.m. Oh, I want to check that out. I can be a clinic worker. Alright, let's pull this car over. Let's pull this car over. Let's see if he'll stop. He's not cooperating. Pull over. Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! Now! Can you pull over? Please? Pull over right now. I swear, if you don't pull over, I'll shoot you in the face. Okay, it looks like she's not, he or she's not cooperating. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna stop here. Can you please stop? Stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. Stop the vehicle. 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 Stop the vehicle. I'm just checking my time, how much I left, because I have 15 minutes to record, but I'll record for like maybe 12 minutes. 3 more minutes for recording. Hey, sir, pull over already. Oh my god, you're wasting my time on my YouTube video. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stop right here. I'm just gonna stop right here. Okay, pull over or else I'm just literally gonna sit in your car forever. Could you? I'm gonna sit in the car. I'm gonna sit in your car. Hey, thanks for letting me sit in your car. Oh, my car! Dang it! It looks like the dude is not even cooperating. He's not gonna stop. Oh, lady. Stop! Stop right now. I swear. Stop. I'm gonna change my username to Dominic's. Stop! Oh, that's her girl. That's a house. Oh, I didn't know that. Ma'am, let me inside. I'm a cop. I can do whatever I want. I have a warrant. Hey, get out of the house. I need to talk to you. Hey, get out of the house. I need to talk to you. It's important. It's important. Okay, she should get out. Stop! I swear to God, if you... I'm gonna get inside your house. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Just talk and I will leave. Someone just like texting me, I don't care. Just talk and I will leave. How about that? She's not cooperating. Wait, what the hell? Where'd she go? She's seriously in the car. Wait, she's not in the car no more. Ma'am, I swear, if you move again, I'm gonna piss off. I swear. Just stop. Just stop. You know what? Screw you. I'm not gonna even waste my time. Oh, there. She said what? Okay. I pulled you over to say, make sure to sub to my channel, Dominic's. Make sure to sub to my channel, Dominic's. And also, I am recording. Say hi to YT. The hell? Hey! I need to be family friendly. I need to be family friendly. No cussing in this game. Just kidding. I said piss. So, hi. Do you want a shout out? Do you want a shout out? I'll give you a shout out if you say yes. Guys, make sure to shout out to her reviews. It's Mean Girl 12111. I'll post that link in the description. Shout outs to Mean Girl. Sub to the channel, please. Tell all of your friends to sub too. Tell all your friends to sub too. Okay, AFK. Guys, she's actually doing it. Shout out me. Okay. Shout outs to Teal O Vibes. Teal O Vibes. Shout outs to Teal O Vibes. I guess that's how you say it. Hello there. Oh. Whoa, okay. So random gamer right now is just texting me in chat. I'm just gonna ignore it because he just texts me random things. Shout outs to everybody in this game. Alright, let's check out if she actually subscribed. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Sub to my channel. Dominic's. This is my YouTube channel, Dominic's. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you very much. This guy just came in disturbing me. I'm back. Did you subscribe? Alright guys, so everyone okay, I have to end this video today. I have a few seconds left. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time. I have to go. Bye. No, hold up. Just sub and see ya. Actually, I'm gonna send her a quick, alright guys, if it just runs out, wait. Oh my gosh. Mean Girl. There. Sub. Follow. Alright guys, so, see ya later. Peace. Peace. Adios, amigos.